question number 21 of Kcse 2020, and the question read, the position vectors of points A and B are OA 24, OB 12, negative 4. A point M is on AB such that AM equals to a half AB, and a point N is on OB such that ON is to NB is equals to 1 is to 3. We find vector AB, vector NM, and the modulus of NM correct 1 decimal place. But B of the translation vector maps A onto A image 5, negative 1. Find the coordinates of the image B under the translation vector. Now what you need to do in this question, first of all, you can make a sketch. You can make a sketch like you have a point O here. You can make a sketch like this, such that here now you have point A. And point A, we know the coordinates is 2, 4 in coordinate form. That vector in coordinate form, and B it is 12, negative 4 in coordinate form. This is B and this is A. And then we have O here, and then you are told that a point M is on AB. On AB there is a point M. There is a point M such that AM is half AB, meaning the whole line is 2. So half, that means 1 is to 1 is the ratio. So that now AM will be a half of AB. And then we are also told that, so that is A to B. We are also told that N, a point N is on OB. There is a point N here. This is a point N, such that O is to N, O is to N, and N is to B. It is 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3. So from there we are asked to find AB and NM. So AB, first of all, we shall also find here. So to find AB, A to B, because they are in coordinate form, is just the same as A to B is the same as AO plus OB, or in simple terms. Because AO you are going in the reverse, so in simple terms it's the same as B. When you're dealing with coordinate form, B minus A, that of vector of B minus that of A, which is equal to B. That is B minus A. So the B is 12, negative 4, minus A is 2, 4. You subtract the 2, you get this minus this is 10. That is 12 minus 2. Negative 4 minus 4 is negative 8. So that is our AB vector is 10, negative 8. Then we get our NM vector. So our NM vector, from here we need N to M. So NM is M minus N. So we need to find the coordinate of M, or the vector of M. The vector of M, we know this is M minus N. So we need to know M. M is what? How can we get M? M is half. That is, we know that AM, it is half AB. We know that AM is half AB. So that means A to M. So we can, if we let the coordinate of M to be xy, so meaning for us to get this xy minus A we know is 2, 4, would be equal to half of AB. AB we know is half of it becomes 5 and negative 4. So from there we can get our x. So it implies if you take this the other side, so xy, which is our M, xy equals to 5, negative 4, then plus, because it was subtracted here, we had plus 2, 4. So this gives you this is 7, 0. That is negative 4 plus 4 is 0, 7, 0. So that is 7, 0 is the coordinate of M. And therefore, we need to find that is one way. Then we need to find the coordinate of N also. So to get the coordinate of N, we know that O, that is ON equals to a third OB. That is ON. We were told that ON is a third OB. It's not a third, but 1 over 4, because this one is to 3. So the total is 4, is a third OB. So meaning that we can easily find N equals to the coordinate of N is a quarter of OB, and OB we know is 12, negative 4, 12, negative 4. So here we will get it as this 3 times, so we shall get 3, and this negative 1. So the coordinate of N is 3, negative 1. Coordinate of N is 3, negative 1. Then from there we can easily find NM. So our NM is M minus N, which is equal to M is 7, 0, minus N, we have got it as 3, negative 1, 3, negative 1, minus. So if you subtract the 2, you get 4, 0 minus 1 is positive 1. So we get 4, 1. We get 4, 1 as our NM. So that is simplest way of doing it. NM. The modulus of NM equals 2. Remember, we know that modulus is x squared plus y squared squared. So the modulus of NM will be equal to, remember our x in that case, because NM is 4, 1. So it will be 4 squared plus 1 squared square root, which will be equal to 16 plus the 1, which is 17, which is equal to square root of 17 is the modulus. So because you are told it's 1 decimal place, you find the square root of 17, you get it as 4.1231. So to 1 decimal place, you move 1, you find this cannot change, so it will be equal to 4.1 units, because you are not given the units. That is the 1 decimal place. So that is what you're supposed to do. Then the next question is part B. A translation vector maps A onto A image 5, negative 1. So you only need to know a formula that image equals to translation. Image equals to translation plus image equals to translation plus object. Now, after understanding that, then we know the image there. Our image now is 5, negative 1, equals to, we need a translation plus the object of A object. We said A was there is 2, 4. 2, 4. So from there we can say translation equals to image minus object, and the image is 5, negative 1, minus, if you bring this other side, that is minus 2, 4. So our translation is 5 minus 2 is 3. The negative 1 minus 4 is negative 5. So that is our translation. So after getting our translation, we go further and now find, because we are asked to find the coordinates of the image of B. So we use B using the same translation vector. Using the same translation vector, we find the image of B. The image of B. So that means image of B, that is B image, equals to the translation, which is 3, negative 5, plus the object, which is our B was 12 and negative 4, plus 12, negative 4. So that becomes 3 plus 12 is 12 plus 3 is 15, and negative 5 plus negative 4 is negative 9. So the B image in coordinate form, if you leave it in vector form, you will not stop, because you have been asked to find the coordinates, and therefore you must write in coordinate form, that is 15, negative 9. 15, negative 9 for you to score. 15, negative 9. So that is how simple the question was. It only needed your reasoning, then you score the whole 10 marks. Thank you for listening, and remember to subscribe. Thank you.